Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, it is told that there is a satellite which has a kinetic energy of 8 billion joules at perigee and 5 billion joules at apogee. Now we have to find the work done by the gravitational force on it. So first of all, I am drawing the diagram for this question. So this is our sun, and there is satellite which travels around this, and we have given that this point which is nearest to the earth, and this point is known as perigee. This is perigee, and this is the farthest point from the earth, and this point is known as apogee. We have given the energy at this point, that is kinetic energy is given to us, that is 8 billion joules, and at this point the kinetic energy is given to us, that is 5 billion joules. Now we have to find work done by the gravitational force. So we can say that work done by the gravitational force is given by, that is, change in kinetic energy. This is work energy theorem. Now we can say that change in kinetic energy is given by, that is, kinetic energy at perigee minus kinetic energy at apogee. So this is 8 minus 5, and this will comes out to be 3 billion joules. So this is the work done by the gravitational force, and this is our answer for the first part of the problem. Now in the second part, we have to told that does its potential energy increase or decrease during this time. So we can say that as the satellite travels from apogee to the perigee, we can clearly say that its kinetic energy increases. So according to the total energy conservation of energy, we can say that energy is conserved quantity, which means kinetic energy, change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy is equals to, this is 0. So we can say that change in kinetic energy is equals to, this is minus of change in potential energy. Now from apogee to perigee, we can say that its kinetic energy increases, that is change in kinetic energy is 3 billion joules. So this will equals to 3 billion joules is equals to, this is minus of change in potential energy, or I can say that change in potential energy is minus of 3 billion joules. So we can clearly say that potential energy is negative, which means from apogee to perigee, potential energy decreases. Negative sign indicates that potential energy is decreases. And this is our answer for this given question. Thank you.